how to fix pending delivery confirmation on DHgate. So as you can see, pending delivery confirmation typically indicates that your order has not yet been shipped. It means that the seller has not confirmed the delivery of your package and the transaction process is still ongoing. Once the seller confirms the delivery, the status of your order will likely change to shipped or another relevant status, indicating that it's on its way to you. And as you can see, it's advisable to monitor the status of your order on the DHgate platform for updates and to contact the seller directly if you have any concern about the shipping process. So the only thing that you can do in order to fix this is that you're gonna have to simply wait until the seller ships the package, or you can simply try to contact them and ask them how long it will take. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.